Here's an update on the water supply situation for the housing market here in Colorado Springs. Like, do we have enough water to sustain all the number of homes that we have, the annexations that we're talking about having? So one of these annexations it's a 3,000 acre piece of land on the southeast side of the city. It's called Amara. So they're trying to add this annexation into Colorado Springs, and that would add up to another 10,000 homes in the city. So it would be the biggest land acquisition since the city acquired Banning Lewis Ranch, and that was back in 1988. So, the number of homes would require thousands of acre feet of water per year from Colorado Springs utilities. And the question is, do we have enough water? So Colorado Springs Utilities is saying that they have 130% of the water necessary for the current city usage. So if they're adding an annexation on, the question is, does that do we need to increase our water usage, or the amount of water that we can use? And all of our water comes from, well, half of our water comes from the Colorado River. So Colorado Springs is not it's one of the younger cities to have access to the Colorado River. So the concern is that as there is more of a drought, as we're seeing, like it says, dangerously low levels at Lake Mead and Lake Powell, there's that idea of we are not going to get first dibs to this water. So as water dries up and we're going to get less and less of it for our city, we may not have that 130% water availability for the city anymore. So if we're taking on more land and trying to build more homes on it, we may not currently have enough water to be able to actually do that.